What's up everybody, I'm Select. Welcome back to Programming Spreadsheets. So in this video I want to show you guys how to create some charts and to use some text functions. So yesterday I asked my friends to give me some sample data. What I did was I went to the social media, Facebook, and asked them directly to give me some data sample. And this is what I say. Give me data. Give me data now. Of course I didn't do that because that's not polite at all. So I did it professionally using Google Form. Yesterday I created a Google form titled Give me data sample and sent it to my friends. 25 of them have responded, and let's see what they have prepared for me. Looks like Starbucks is about to GG. This is the first question asked. Which is your favorite? And most of them like McDonald's. How much do you spend per visit? Most people spend 10 ringgit. Some spend 30. Whoa, someone spent 60. One ringgit. You know what's that? That is sunny corn. It's not sunny corn. Sunday cone. The ice cream. I will spend 1 ringgit as well. Right, so this is the jokes that I add in between to keep them interested. I ask, if I say, I hate you, how would you reply? What? I hate you. Oh, really? Okay. I hate you. Whatever. I hate you. Okay. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you too. I hate you. You are sick already. I hate you. I love you. Oh, I hate you. I don't give a FX. I hate you. Ignore. I hate you. Nice. Then great. Whoa! Let's move on to the next one. Which social media do you active on? So what this tells us is how popular are these social media among my friends. So looks like Facebook, WhatsApp, and WeChat are the most popular. Okay, the last one. So press like if you like this short survey. Most people like this short survey. So this proves that having a funny jokes in the middle of your survey is a good idea. Click on this icon and create new spreadsheets. Alright, now it has done loading. I'm gonna organize this first. Give me some time, alright? Right here. Let's do the first one, the red color one. Which is your favorite? Okay, this one I'm gonna do the same as the Google form did. The pie charts. So I'm select this column. What you can do is select the whole column because that's the only one you have. Or if you want to be specific, you select the column with the data that you want. Right. Now go to Insert, Chart, and this is not the pie chart, right? So let's go to Chart Type, change this to pie chart. As you can see, this is suggested one, which means Google Sheets know this type of data is suitable for which. Right? If you can't find the pie chart over here, you can always scroll down and search pie chart. Now let's try the donut chart instead. Donut chart is bad. Not bad. Okay, I want to say not bad. Okay, we're moving on to the next one. The next one is how much do you spend per visit on average? I don't have an organized answer for this one, so I'm gonna create a histogram. So this is not a histogram, as you can see. Oh, that's my fault. Okay, so it depends on the data. Since my answer is not organized correctly, so it's going up, down, and up and down. So we're going to change this chart type into histogram. Much better. The next one is, if I say I hate you, how would you reply? The answer is text, so I can't really transform this data into any charts. So what I'm going to do is to use some text functions and find
who wrote the longest reply and who wrote the shortest reply. So first of all, I'm going to find out how long is each reply by using a function known as the length function. It's called len. So I'm going to type equal len, length of a string. Okay, so what's my text? My text is in E1, so I'm just put it in. Okay, then we go get the answer, which is 3, because WAT is 3 letters, so it's 3. Now let's see if I can use a range reference. Let's see, no, we cannot use that, sorry. How about if I put an indirect in front? Let me see. No, we can't use that either. So we just go with the traditional way. Just copy and paste it. Alright, that's good. Alright, we have done now. We have all the number of length. Let's just shorten this a little bit. Alright, so with this, now I want to find who has the longest and who has the shortest. Okay, this is the winner. Let's call it winner. We'll find the so this is called the length of string or text. So this is maximum, also called the longest and the shortest. Okay, let's do the longest one first. So there are several ways, but one of the easiest one is to use the VLOOKUP. So I want to VLOOKUP a maximum in here, the column D. I want to find the maximum value in this range. I use ed because I'm using the VLOOKUP, which will help me to return the thing that I want. That is not how it works. It works like this. VLOOKUP will search the first column, which is the DE, because I marked the range as D to E. So this will be the first column and E will be the second column. I want to find the maximum value in the D. So what it does, it will try to look every single row for the maximum. Are you? So it asks, are you maximum? No. Are you maximum? No. Are you maximum? No. Are you maximum? Yes. So it return. Alright, so let's take a look at the index. So what is the index? My index is equal to 1. Then okay, I will return the first column. You there, come on in here, return. So you get the answer 36. What if my index is equal to 2? If my index is equal to 2, it will go then, hey you, column 2, you, right there, I'm hating myself, come out. So and return this instead. Is it shorted? Definitely not, so I'm going to say it's false. Then we get the longest is 36. Let's say now I want the text. Instead of D column, I want the E column. So I'm changing this to 2. So I get the text. I'm hating myself. Why are you hating yourself? Why are you hating yourself? Okay, next one is the longest. Alright, it's the same. Instead of using the maximum, we find who is the minimum. Right, the minimum is the ooh. Right, the answer is ooh. We already know the answer. So now let's change to the 1. So yeah, it's boring. Let's just put it 2. Okay, moving on. Which social media do you active on? So this one, if you want to create something very similar to the Google form, so now we're back. So if I want to create something like the Google form did, I need to break down the information. So let me try. If I select this data, I go to insert a chart. It's going to be messy. See, it's messy. Alright, so now let's try to change it into something similar to what the Google form did. So first of all, I need to break down these informations by using the split function. I'm going to split these tags by the delimiter, comma, with a space as well. I'm going to do the same for every row, but instead of just copy and paste, let's us use the array formula. And we can just go to infinity, and let's try infinity first. Voila, infinity works, but it has this error because there are nothing to split. Okay, so we're gonna stop at this row 26. So let's change here 26, and we are done. The rest are gone until 26. We stop right there. Okay, now I'm gonna count how many Facebook are there. So the first one is Facebook, and also Messenger. It's the same. Next one is WhatsApp, WeChat, and oh yeah, the Instagram is in between. So I changed the position. Instagram. So let's use the count function. Count. There are different type of count. This one is just to count the numerical value in the data, but I want to count when Facebook appears, so I'm going to use the count if. So if in this range I want it to be equal to Facebook. There we go, and we get the answer 16. So how about Instagram? Okay, now let's just copy and paste this one. Instead of using a Facebook, I'm going to change this to Instagram. So that's one of the way. Instagram. Spelling correct? Oh no, my spelling is wrong. You need to make sure that your spelling is correct. Instagram. We have 12. That's correct. That's what we want. Right? So for WhatsApp, there's another way. If you have a variable, something like this, not the Facebook one, then you can change this, the variable. You can change this by using an n, and this cell, then you get it. Equal and WhatsApp, so O for return WhatsApp. So what it means is just equal WhatsApp. So there you go, you get 16. And we can do the same for the widgets. If I copy and paste at the bottom, it will turn into 05, which is widget. See, if I highlight this whole thing, it means equal widget. So it return, so we count from J column to N column everything that has the word widget. Last but not least, press like if you like this short survey. Since this is a bit special from other one, since there are only two answers, like or dislike, this one is a bit special, you can just highlight all of this and go and insert chart. What it will do is it will help you to count how many dislike and like are there in the data range. Nice, isn't it?
Wow! Thank you for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys in the next one. High five!